In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use buckets and labels in Microsoft Planner to organize your tasks in a smarter and more visual way. If your tasks feel messy or hard to track, these two features can completely change how you manage your workflow. Let's get started. First, open your browser and sign into your Microsoft 365 account. Then go ahead and open Microsoft Planner from your apps. Once you're inside Planner, either create a new plan or open an existing one where you want to organize your tasks. Now switch to the board view. This is where you'll see your tasks displayed in columns, and it's the best place to work with buckets and labels. Let's start with buckets. Buckets are like categories or stages of your work. For example, you can create buckets like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. To add one, simply click on Add New Bucket, type a name, and press Enter. Once your buckets are ready, you can drag and drop tasks into them. This makes it very easy to organize your workflow and see where each task stands. You can also move buckets around by dragging them, so your layout always matches your priorities. Now let's talk about labels. Click on any task to open its details. Inside, you'll see colored label options. These labels help you highlight tasks based on things like priority, type, or status. For example, you can use one color for urgent tasks and another for tasks that need review. To add a label, just click on a color. It's that simple. If you want more clarity, you can rename these labels. Just edit the label name and give it a meaningful title that fits your workflow. Another useful feature is filtering. You can filter tasks by labels to quickly find what you're looking for without going through everything manually. Using buckets and labels together gives you a powerful system. Buckets organize your tasks structurally, while labels add visual meaning and context. This combination makes it much easier to manage projects, especially when you're working with a team. And that's how you use buckets and labels in Microsoft Planner. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.